Hello everyone, good day. I'm Teacher Alvin, and today I'm going to show you how to use your Google form. Alright, so we can start by logging into our account, and I'm going to use Safari. Okay, so we can start by logging into our account. So go to your browser or Safari. Click on your Google. On the upper right corner of your iPad, you can see your accounts. So you can click which is which. Alright, so I'm gonna choose Teacher 17, which is from the school. And then click on the 9 dots on the upper right corner. And then click on Google Drive. And then you can see this. So as you can see, the cursor is moving. There, just click on New. And then click on Google Forms. That's the purple one. Alright, so you will be redirected to this page. And here we go. You can see Untitled Form. So we can start by copying and pasting from our own copy. Okay, it could be from the old Google Forms or from your documents. Okay, but in my case, I'm gonna use my old Google Form. Alright, so we can copy the information that we have from our documents or from our old forms. Okay, I'll just copy that one and click it here. Alright. And here we go. It's already been pasted. Now we can work on our description. Okay, so let's copy this one. Copy and paste. Imagine you're just copying from your documents. Okay, so we're gonna paste it here. Alright, pasted. Now we can proceed to the next one. Alright, so we're gonna copy all the information from the old ones or from our documents. It's up to you. The name and the last name. And then the year, level, and sections. And then student ID. And then student's number. Alright. I'll give you time to think on that. It's actually up to you on how you want to style it. But this is how I do it, okay? You always have your own prerogative to do that. Alright, so you have choices here. It could be a short answer, paragraph, or it's up to you. But for now, we're gonna use the short answer because they're gonna use on the space down there. Okay? To write on their names. After that one, you have to click on required and add questions. Okay, then you do the same thing after. Alright, so we're now on our, let me see, year, level, and section. So, let's do the same thing. Let's copy that one. Copying. And then go back to our new form and paste it there. Pasted. Oh, perfect. Alright. So as you can see, we need to change the short answer into multiple choice. Okay, it has been changed. Why do we need to change it? Because they have to choose between 1/1, 1/2, up until 1/5. It depends on how many sections do you teach. And don't forget to click on the required. Okay? And then we're gonna go on next. So we're gonna go to class number, Lekti, and student ID. Lahat nakriyan. So we're going to do the same process. Copy and paste. Copying. Alright. And now we're pasting it. Pasted. Okay. Short answer. Let's go to the next one. Let's copy on student ID number. Copying. Pasting. It has been pasted. Now we can choose on short answer again. And don't forget to click on required. There. Okay, So now take a look on the right part. There are tools there. You can choose, but now we're going to choose the add section. Alright, so we're on our first part. Example, your first part is your vocabulary word. So, copy that and paste it. So, it has been pasted. Now we can have our description. This one is wrong, so we have to make it right. Let's go to our new Google form and let's try to write on instruction or direction, but it's up to you. Alright, so you can see it could be choose the correct answer or choose the best answer. Way to go. And now we can have the next step. So, we can start another question. But this questions would be for the test. Alright, so imagine you're done with that. So what we have to do now is to add on. Alright, question. Add question. Okay, you click on that and then you can see. Alright, we can copy that question. Let's do the same thing, copy and paste. First question. Okay, so alright, it's already been pasted. Now we can have our choices. It's up to you. Some choices could be 3, 4, or 5, but it depends on your style, or it depends on your school. So we can now start with the possible choices. It could be son, sibling, right? Siblings or mother or any vocabulary words. It's always up to you. That's right. Alright, so before I forget, I just want to tell you, you're doing great. I think we're all done here, so let's assume that we're done. Let's recheck, okay? Try to recheck. Don't forget to click on the required. Okay. Now, so you can see, I think we have to go to the setting now. Alright, so settings, and then we can click on this information if you want to collect their emails. Click on collect emails. Or you can go check by yourself. It's actually a self-explanatory, option. So you can limit it to 1 or it's up to you. Go to quizzes or presentation, it's up to you. Now make it a quiz and then later after manual review and then respondent can see missed questions. Alright, so it's easy as that. You got it right. Now we have to save it and then there. See that? Now you can see the answer key. A while ago we wouldn't see any of the answer key because that wasn't set as a quiz. Now we can put on the points and the answer. Alright, you got it right. Alright, let's assume that it's all done. We can go to send. Click on send and click on this icon. Alright, now click on shorten URL. There, it's now shortened. And click on copy. There, it's already been copied and you can send it to your students or to your line group or messenger group. Okay, so I think this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you learn a lot from this video. Have a great day.